Shaira in cafe.
Yes.
So you like these cheesecakes?
I like. Really, I love their cheesecake here. And their coffee also, it's good. Even it's cold or hot, it's good also here. And comfortable to sit also here. And have Wi-Fi and sound and good view. So I always stay here in Cafe La, what is his name? Minular?
Cafe La Meilleur.
Minuel.
Yes. I hope maybe guys from France they can say correct how we spell this hotel name. And Georgi also like this is cafe.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. He like cappuccino. Shaira like this is.
I just bought 2 times already. Eat little bit.
Masarap, Shaira, masarap.
Delicious. Masarap. Kushna. And Harshe.
Yeah. 3 language. English, Russian, Chinese.
And Filipino.
Filipina, masarap, yes, 4 language.
Gusto.
And Georgi, what say?
Gusto.
Gusto. Okay.
I like.
Shaira will check Google Translate.
That's Kapila.
No, you can say
Kapila.
Cafe La Meilleur.
And the translate to English is coffee the best.
Coffee the best. So now we know. Guys, I want to ask Georgi because Georgi every day going to walking street. He playing billiard in the walking street, and I want to ask him. It's have difference between before and now, because now low season it means don't have so many tourists in the tourists maybe in the Philippines many, but in the walking street it's low season because now very hot and most of people going to the beach, not going to the bars. That's why I want to ask him Georgi. Georgi, you already know. Can you say about weekdays in the walking street? Because I not take video on weekday, only Friday and Saturday.
Not many customers, not many tourists. So only the difference between Saturday evening and other days, other weekdays. On Saturday, many people.
Saturday is it's not weekday, it's weekend already.
Yes.
So weekday don't have people.
Don't have. In the bars where I play billiard, usually only players, only who want to play billiard. It's maybe up to 7 players, for example, but no customers who only sit and drink, only players who want to play. But 1 month ago it was many people in the bar, many customers. Now different.
Okay. Okay, Georgi, thank you for information. Guys, thank you for watching. And you can see another video from the walking street.
Hi guys, we're finished already here in Cafe La Meilleur. And we're going to walk again in Walking Street for one time again. And